Hey guys, welcome back to How to Guide. So in today's Instagram video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can join a live on Instagram. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So first, let's open the Instagram app. So for you to be able to join anybody's Instagram live, you need to send them a request. So if it's a celebrity going live, they will obviously have thousands of requests to join their live. You might not be able to, and if you do not know someone, they'll most probably not let you join their live. So you have to request them. Have to ask for their permission to be able to join their live. If they accept your request, you'll be able to join them, otherwise you will not. So what you have to do is, so as you can see here, someone's gone live here, so you'll tap on that, and now if you want to send a request to join them, you'll click on request to join over here. So click on request to join, you click on the send request button, and if they accept your request, you will be able to join the live. If not, you just have to sit there. So that's it, guys. That's how you join somebody else's live. With that being said, I'd like to end this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.